Today I'm making chicken bacon ranch chip nachos. First in a bowl have 1 block of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then I'm going to add 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix. Next mix that up until it's combined. Then add 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Next add 1/2 cup of cooked chopped bacon. Then I have 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add half of it into the filling. Next mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to add a bag of plain Kettle chips onto a lined baking sheet and spread them out. Next I'm going to add the filling on top of the chips and spread it out as best you can. Next add the rest of the shredded cheddar cheese on top and bake this at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Here's an up close look at the finished chicken bacon ranch nachos.